Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin. And before we dive deep into what's happening with Dogecoin, I want to direct your attention to the FX Street YouTube channel. If you enjoy the content that we put out and want to stay updated with the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can follow us on Twitter at FXSCrypto, and if you like what I do, you can hit me up at Mangeko with the 0 at the end. So, Dogecoin. Dogecoin seems to be doing pretty good, although there was like a little bit of hype from Elon the other day. It didn't seem to propel the coin a lot. But since September 30th, Dogecoin seems to be traversing a falling wedge pattern, and the breakout so far is extremely successful because the price has not only broken out of this upper trend line here, it also retested it successfully. So I believe the uptrend is only going to continue higher. Right, so the falling wedge pattern forecasts 34% upswing, which puts Doge at roughly 0.173, just above this resistance level here, which I've drawn at 0.163. So what can you expect from Dogecoin? So there is the support level here, roughly from 0.133 to 0.135. And interestingly, it also coincides with this daily demand zone that was formed here. Okay, this is weird. But either way, the demand zone here extending from 0.127 to 0.137 is kind of coincides with the support level that I've drawn here. So a retracement is what we're looking for. Retracement into this level here will be a perfect opportunity to long Doge. The first targets here will be 0.163. Beyond this, if you're a little optimistic, you could probably take off like 50% of your position and leave the rest to ride up to 0.173. Either way, assuming the price does retrace back into this demand zone here, this is a 25% upswing that we're looking for Doge. And yeah, that's pretty much what I expect from Doge. I don't see it making any wild moves or like headlines unless Elon decides to change that. So for now, practically speaking, I like all the Dogecoin, sometimes the values are like almost vertical and doesn't make any sense. So from a technical standpoint, from pure technical standpoint, I believe the upside for Doge is capped roughly around 0.173. As for the downside, you don't want to see Dogecoin produce a daily candlestick close below 0.127, which would obviously invalidate the demand zone here, and it could flip this into, it will flip this demand zone into a bearish breaker and push it back lower. Probably we would head back down to 0.11. Right, this is an extremely unlikely scenario, the bearish case, but it should be something that you should keep it at the back of your mind. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my analysis. The upside capped at 0.173, downside capped at the lower limit of this demand zone, which is 0.127. Producing a daily close below 0.127 will flip it into a breaker, in which case you could expect the price to head back down to 0.109 or 0.11. So that is my take on Dogecoin. If you enjoyed this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.